Hi everyone, so today we want to clean up our storage. Currently my storage is full and it says 85% storage used, so I need to clean up some space. And to do that, after opening my Gmail, and then I'll go to manage storage, then I'll be landed to this page. Next I'll select clean up space, which will take me to the place where I can start cleaning up the files that I want to clean up. So I can select directly from here. For example, I can select the files in trash by clicking on review. Then I'll select the file that I want to trash, or you can review it before you trash it. Select that, then click on delete, acknowledge the deletion, then permanently delete it. See, we got some space. The next one will be either the unsupported videos or whatever it is that you want to delete. The same thing, select the video and then click on delete, acknowledge it, and permanently delete it as well. Get some space back as well. So now you can go directly and select the next batch of files that you want to delete. The next one is the Gmail. So go to our Gmail, select the Gmail that I want to select, or the emails that I want to delete. Delete that, or emails in trash as well. Select the emails that we want to delete, select it, and also once you're done, you can scroll down and to see show more, which will show you more items that needs to be deleted. So if you click on show more, you open more files in the trash in your Gmail that needs to be deleted. So we select the showing 64 to select everything. Then once that has been selected, click on delete, confirm the deletion, and get some space back. You can continue the process to delete your files and permanently delete it to get more space in your file or in your Google account. Select the batch, select the files that you want to delete, and delete it. Go through the same process over and over till you're satisfied with all the files that needs to be removed. And once that is done, you can go ahead, or if you don't want to delete anything, you can unselect it and then delete the rest. See, so many emails in spam. The next one will be, here you can go by batches, so you can clean up your photos, you can clean up your Google Drive. So we'll select the next batch, which is our Google Drive. Select the videos, whatever I want to delete, select that, click on delete, confirm, permanently delete it, and to regain some space back. Now you can go to files in trash, select it, delete, confirm, delete it as well. So once that is done, you see our storage has moved from 85% to 76%. Oh my god. Now I can use my Google Drive or photos to save whatever files I need to be saved and continue the process. You can continue doing that to make sure you delete clean up your phone, clean